It's now or never. Come hold me tight. Kiss me, my darling. Be mine tonight. Tomorrow will be too late. It's now or never. My love won't wait. When I first saw you, with your smile so tender, my heart was captured, my soul surrendered. I spend the lifetime waiting for the right time. Now that you're near, the time is here at last. It's now or never. Come hold me tight. Kiss me, my darling. Be mine tonight. Tomorrow will be too late. It's now or never. My love will wait. Just like the willow would cry in ocean if we lost true love and sweet devotion. Your lips excite, let your arms invite me. For where we'll meet again this way. It's now or never. Come hold me tight. Kiss me, my darling. Be mine tonight. Tomorrow will be too late. It's now or never. My love will wait. It's now or never. It's now or never. My love won't wait. It's now or never. My love won't wait. Well, hi there, pluckers. Another fun song for you, another classic song from Elvis Presley, of course, and it's the classic one, It's Now or Never. Okay, standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as Elvis's original song was released in. Okay, so let's get to it. So, like I say, apologies for the singing, it's just purely for reference, not intended to be a cover version, okay, just for reference. So here we go. Starting off with the backing singers, the Jordanaires that come in with the oohs and ahs. That's a ooh, 3 notes. First fret of the 3rd string, the G string, 4th fret of the 4th string, the D string, and the 2nd fret of the 4th string. Ooh. Then comes the tricky bit, okay? This double stop, fast sort of mandolin type of strum, okay? I can't really tell you what to do with this, it's just practice, okay? You need a fairly light, thinner pick. You need a fairly thin pick. I'm playing, the first phrase is a double stop on the 11th fret of the top E string, 1st finger, 12th fret of the 2nd string, 2nd finger. Okay, and it's just basically a very fast up and down. Light, very light, don't press too hard. Okay, it's just a base of practicing it. There's various techniques. Some people use the side of the pick. I'm using the sort of I am using the tippish part of the pick, just very lightly. So it goes. second phrase is here. That's the 7th fret of the top E string, 7th fret of the top E string, and the 9th fret of the second string. First fret, first finger and third finger there. I'm doing that. So. Then we move that down 2 frets. 5th fret of the top E string, 7th fret of the second. So. Final one is this one. That's 4th fret of the top E string and the 5th fret of the second string. Okay, so the whole thing. And then we go into a rumba beat. Okay, and the way I'm playing it is I'm playing the bottom. It's an E chord. Okay, form an E chord. The chords in this song are fairly basic. Okay, so E chord, hit the bottom E string, and then rake yourself down. So, okay, that sort of thing, and then come back up again fairly promptly. So it's like, and then up, down, up. Okay. That sort of thing, and that's all the way through the song on all the chords. Okay, so it's I'll play it slow right down. So bass note, rake you down, up, then up, down, up. Okay, so there you have it. So let's do that again. So let's go into the first chorus. It starts off with the chorus. Okay, so it's now or never. Come hold me, F sharp minor. Best if you play the bar chord. So 2nd fret bar, minor shape. Bar, first finger, 2nd fret, 4th fret of the 5th string and 4th string, 3rd finger pinky. Or you can do a simple one. If you can't manage the bar, then bar the first 3 strings on the 2nd fret with your 1st finger, 3rd finger and pinky playing the 4th fret of the 5th string and the 4th string, 5 down to 1. Okay, but if you can try the bar chord, then you get the bass note in as well. Okay, so once again from the beginning, it's now or never. That's right. Let's do it. Let's do it from the beginning. It's now or never. Come hold me tight. B7. Kiss me, my darling. Back to E. I'm tonight. To A minor tomorrow. Will be E minor today. E. It's now B7. My love on me. Stop. Okay. So let's go through this slowly, right? So it starts off, it's now or E, never. Come, B, F sharp minor. Kiss me, B7, darling. Be E mine tonight. A minor tomorrow. B. Now this is where I differ to a lot of people. A lot of people go straight to the E chord. I think it's an E minor to start with, late, and then make it an E. It's now or B7. My love E will wait. Stop. Okay, so once again, it's all that's the same for all the verses, choruses rather. This is a chorus, obviously. It's now or never. E. Come, F sharp minor. B7 to down, E down tonight, A A minor tomorrow, E minor to A, E, it's now B7, my love. Right, so let's see if we can do that at regular speed, okay? So, it's now or never, come hold me tight, kiss me my darling, be mine tonight, tomorrow will be too late, right, like I say, that bit there where it goes tomorrow will be too late. Okay, I think it's E minor to start with, and then the E major. Okay, tomorrow will be E minor, late, E. Now it's never B7. This is right. But if you don't like that, just play the E chord all the way through that. Tomorrow will be too late. See, I don't like that. I think it's an E minor to start with myself. Okay, so then we go into the verse. So when it comes to my love, when I first knew you, E. This is all E, A, and B7. Okay, when I first saw you, with your smile so tender, A. B7, there's the captures. Back to E, that's it. I'll spend a lifetime waiting A for a lifetime. Now that you're E, B7, E, stop. Okay, and that's the same for all the verses. Okay, so once again, very slowly, when I first saw you. A, my heart was B7, my soul E to I spent E time waiting for A to now that's E, B7, E, stop, chorus, it's now or never. Me time. Kiss me my baby 7, back to E, to A minor, E minor, E, it's now B7, I love E, stop. Another verse, okay, just like the usual thing, E, A and B7, okay. Then we do another chorus again, and at the end of that chorus it goes tomorrow, this is the final chorus, okay, tomorrow will be too late, it's now or never, my love won't wait. Keep going, it's now B7, never, my love won't E, stop, it's now or, and then you do this one up here, this never, my love won't E, it's now B7, never, my love won't wait, that sort of thing. Okay, sort of when you come to the end, my love will wait. Da da da. So down, up, down. Down. Okay, very quick. Okay, and there you have it, good boys and girls. My version of It's Now or Never by Elvis Presley. Now, there are some extra bits I want to show you. If you've got somebody with you who can play second guitar, you know where it goes in the verse, where it goes, in the verse where it goes, when I first saw you, There's some little double stops which are quite nice. It's a bit difficult to get them in there if you're playing on your own. It's a bit stop-starty. So, but if you've got somebody with you, okay. When I first saw you, there's smile so tender. Da 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 da. 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 Oh, sorry. Da 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 da. That sort of thing. Okay. So I'll just show you the three sets of double stops there. Okay. So it goes. When I first saw you. That one. So that's double stop. This is on the 4th fret of the top E string, 5th fret of the 2nd string, up to the 5th fret of the top E string, 7th fret of the 2nd string, go up 2 frets to the 7th fret of the top E string and the 9th fret of the 2nd, so it's, and then back again. Alright? Da 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 da. And the second one is, so that's 2nd fret of the 2nd string, top E string open, then the 2nd fret of the top E string with the 4th fret of the 2nd string. So, and then up to that 4th fret of the top E string, 5th fret of the 2nd. So it's okay, and then back to that one, second one, that 2nd on the 1st and 4th on the 2nd. And then back to that first one again, 2nd on the 2nd and top E string open. So far we've got, it goes, when I first saw you, with your smile so tender. Okay, then we go up to the 3rd one, which is da 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 da, and that one is, so we're starting now on the 2nd fret of the top E string, and the 4th fret of the 2nd, up to that one, 4th fret on the 1st, 5th fret on the 2nd, up to that one, 5th fret on the 5th fret on the 5th fret on the top E string and 7th fret on the 2nd. So then back to that one, and then back to that one. Okay. So far we've got this when I first saw you, your smile so tender, my heart was captured, my whole, so back to the E, and that one again, repeat the whole thing. I spend a lifetime right waiting for the lifetime, sorry, da 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 E chord, da 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 B chord, 7, back to E, and then the lead comes in and does that one on the end. So that's that 7 on the top E, 9 on the 2nd, and then back to down 2 frets, it's 5th on the top E, 7th on the 2nd, and then that one, 4th on the top E, 5th on the 2nd. So once again, just go through that whole thing. When I saw you, your smile so tender, my heart was captured, my soul surrendered to a tender lifetime, you wait for the right time. Now that you're near, the time is here at last. Okay, so if you've got a second guitar with you, maybe he or she could do that for you. Okay, thanks very much for watching and listening. Hope that helped you, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.